What is good, YouTube? Ertaza here with the 440i. We're doing a pump fill up 91. Soon enough, we'll be hitting the 93 octane for our stage 2 off-the-shelf tune from Boot Mod 3. But right now we're sticking with that 91 at 168 cents per liter. Not the worst thing in the world. I've seen $2 before for 91. So we're doing a half tank. We got 43 bucks on that. I'll take it. Always need the hand sanitizer because that is disgusting. I don't know whose hand's been on that gas pump. All right. Now listen, today we're going to be doing a nighttime drive. Where are we going? Wherever the road takes us. This thing never works, I swear to God. BMW is such a hit or miss with their technology. Okay. Let's fire this baby up. Maybe turn on those windows so we can hear some of that.
Motion detection recording. 9 and event detection recording. 2 occurred.
Hold on. Let's get another Bobo pic here. Hell yeah. He's so cute. To keep the quality, we're gonna keep the cabin lights on. Okay. Handbrake down. Love the physical handbrake. My SI did not have that. Had that thing for 3 years and didn't know what I was missing until I got this car. Okay. Am I gonna make this turn? Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Okay. I'm really like smack dab in the center of this entrance ramp. All right, very nice. Hell yeah. So I will slow down when I see oncoming traffic, just in case it's an op, as they say. Now let's put down the windows, get a bit of that noise coming in here. Guys, I love this car so much. I had a 10th gen Civic Si before 2017. That car was amazing. It drove really well, but this car has so much more power to it. It's like double the horsepower almost. Actually, it's not. That one was, oh wait, that was 205 and this is 400. So basically almost double. All right, I'm gonna see if I can go straight. I don't know if I'm being, oh, there's nothing there. I'm so stupid. I thought there was something there. Oh my god. Okay, well. What did you expect? Church Street. Alright, this looks like a better road to do a pull-in. Let's see. What is that building? That thing looks super cool. Tunnel! Tunnel time! Okay, that looks like tons of fun. Oh. Did not expect that. Woo, that's loud. Woo! Oh yeah. We do want to be a little bit careful here. I lost traction back there. I don't know if you guys could tell. It was wild. My God. I think we just found the biggest gem today. Oh my lord. Woo! Okay. Oh, how do we get back home? Wait, this is Brock Road. Okay, so let's see. North south, it's a gamble. Okay, let's take a right. I'm assuming that's north. Guys. In an ideal world, I could just remove all the wind noise and power through. Just be amazing sounds all day, all night. Oh, yeah. I'm sure you can hear those crackles from the cabin, eh? They push through, they definitely push through. Actually, let me just go straight. What am I doing? So pushing 400 horsepower on a platform like this feels really good. And I'm so confident that soon this isn't gonna be enough, because I started off with 320. I added my Catless downpipe. That adds approximately, 20-ish horsepower, maybe 15. And the thing is, BMW underrates their horsepower numbers. So even though it says it's out of the box 320 engine horsepower, in reality, I think people dyno it closer to like 335, 340. So needless to say, it's up there. And then, the 91 Octane, OTS, Boot Mod 3, Flash Tune, just plug that thing into my car, right? So Boot Mod 3 and I think MHD is the other big one. There's two big players in the off-the-shelf space for flash tunes for the B58 engine, and this one has the B58. It's a 3.0 liter inline 6 engine. It outputs a lot of power out of the box. It's turbocharged, right? And with tuning, turbos are amazing because all you need to do is increase the amount of boost that you're creating, right? And what boost really is just the amount of air. Just think about it like this. It's just the amount of air that's going into your engine and allowing for more fuel as a result to go into your engine as well, causing more combustion and therefore more power, right? So, creating more boost, exceeding 14, 15, 16 PSI of boost is just amazing, because then you have more power to your engine with, not as much effort. So you flash that thing, and B58s are really popular. I think they're in the X5 as well. They're in the 340i, 440i, 540i, obviously, the 240i, obviously, anything that ends with the 40, and then they're also in the X5. Okay, so that is, I think that's actually westbound. So let's take that. Nice. Can I thank the car behind me? My thing is, did I just wait. Okay, I think I unlocked the door by accident. My thing is, I always thank the driver behind me. Anytime I do some sort of maneuver that might come off as, a little bit aggressive. After work pulls. Oh, it's amazing. When I had my Civic Si, I did a lot of wheel spinning just for fun. I would go into first gear, and then I would go super high rev, launch the car, I would get that wheel spin. Now, because I'm xDrive, which is all-wheel drive, and xDrive specifically has a bias towards the rear wheels, so I think it's 60% of the power goes down to the rear wheels, 40% of the power goes down to the front wheels. But needless to say, I think the situation is that I don't get any more wheel spin, because obviously, power is equally distributed across the car. And so I don't really play around with wheel spin anymore. I literally just play around with launching myself forward and enjoying the pull. Now, one thing that I'm really cognizant about is safety. obviously I don't do, you know, dumb stuff in residential neighborhoods, and I try to minimize the amount of crackles and pops that are coming out of my car in residential neighborhoods as well, and I do that by shifting myself into comfort mode. It's not a valved exhaust, or at least I don't think it is, because I don't have the MPP SK1, which is the Amp Performance Power and Sound Kit, which has a valved exhaust. As far as I understand, this is just my car turning off the burble map, which is like an ECU thing, like a computer thing. So it's just telling my car, you know, stop creating those burbles, and you know, the actual exhaust sound itself seems to not really change too much. But again, please, in the comments down below, let me know if I'm wrong, and this might be a valved exhaust. My friend, he actually inspired me to get this car. He's like a car person. He has an AMG C43. That car is crazy and it sounds amazing. And he has this little dial here. That steering wheel is beautiful too. There's a little dial here, and when he turns the dial between his version of comfort mode and sport mode, you physically hear the exhaust tone change so much. It's insane. Like it's actually insane. Auto match downshift. Okay. And yeah, okay guys, well that's the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the pulls I did as much as I did. That was a lot of fun, a lot of good de-stress, and definitely gonna have to do that again. Thank you so much for watching. If you can, guys, please like this video. I'm just an up-and-coming YouTuber. Please subscribe if you can, if you enjoy this kind of content. And in the comments down below, let me know what car you like to do a late night drive in. All right? Thank you and have a good rest of your day.